When you are inducting the suppliers and all that, when they are enlisting, is any norms or standard that they should have prerequisite, these are the standard, then only they can be
Yes,
uploaded.
basically-
Otherwise there are Tom, Dick and Harry, many people
No,
will
Tom,
come.
Dick and Harry, nahi, because as I mentioned to you, the body belongs to each of the associations.
Yes.
The person who is going to enlist has to be a member of that one of
That
the
particular.
associations. So the person that the जो supplier or contractor आएगा is a member of the Builders Association of India.
Okay.
तो Builders Association of India का member है वो. इसके अलावा for others we have kept also what is the Maharera project number जिस पे आपने काम किया होगा.
Yes.
So there are certain norms which are verifiable by us,
Yes.
which we are putting when the person puts in that 5,000. It's not that
Yeah.
any Tom, Dick and Harry pays the money and he automatically becomes. We have said that when you pay the money, we will do a scrutiny,
Evaluation.
though that evaluation cannot be 100%,
Yes, that's
because it's only what can be verified and of information available in public domain. We'll do that in 72 hours,
Yeah.
and then only we will give a green signal
Yes.
that you become a.
So that's a
We'll do
standard.
that.
Yeah.
That's why we are using the word trusted
Trusted.
stakeholders.
Thank you.
One
Are they-
window solution to the cooperative societies. If a cooperative society is there, want to go for redevelopment, as a one window solution, everything is come up in this presentation. So how the society become a member, or in case of, in another word,
Can you just
guarantee
open-
like.
Can you open the landing page? लैंडिंग पेज का ऊपर में आप देखेंगे लिखा हुआ है लॉगिन. ये लॉगिन, ये जब सोसाइटी में आप जाएंगे वेबसाइट में, व्हेन यू प्रेस दिस लॉगिन, देन ये पूछेगा आप जो है सोसाइटी हैं या आप सर्विस प्रोवाइडर हैं.
So we have to register first with them.
That's right.
So
And
all
that
the details.
registration for a society is free of cost.
Very good.
Only thing you have to say whether you are a chairman or a treasurer or a secretary or an authorized person. The authorized person should be authorized by these of three.
So it will help to the everything. It will help
Yes.
with that.
और उसमें ऐसा इंफॉर्मेशन हमने मांगा है जो आपके पास इजीली अवेलेबल है. एंड देन इंक्रीमेंटली जैसा जैसा आपका सोसाइटी का काम बढ़ेगा, यू कैन कीप ऑन अपडेटिंग दैट.
Very good. Thank you, sir.
That's how it is.
I'm asking this question as a service seeker. In the list of service providers that you have mentioned, do you have a category of independent professionals or consultants who can guide society members for self-redevelopment?
The question was debated. Such independent professionals should have some sort of a qualification. I cannot stand here and claim, and the chairman knows me very well, so the chairman says, मैं जानता हूँ छतरी साहब को बहुत एकदम उम्दा जो है वो सर्विस दे सकते हैं. So basically when we are saying that these are professionals, the professional must have a professional qualification. So the 14 names हमने बताए वहाँ पर, all the 14 names cover all the types of professionals that are required. Now out of those 14 there could be one like the PMC who actually should be able to tell you whether self-redevelopment or development, because he will then work out a calculation for both and the risks involved in both, and then put it out to you so that you can make again an informed choice. So the choice of the PMC, we are now going to explain to a society कि जब आप choose करेंगे उस PMC को as a professional or a consultant, you should know what are the questions to ask him. It should not be a one-way transaction कि वो आपको जो बता दिया और आपने सुन लिया और वो आपने मान लिया. That's how it should.
Mine is an extended.
And we are always available to hold hand whenever in fact you have a difficulty. You have a difficulty, मान लीजिए आपने जो है shortlist किया, 2-3 नाम आ गए, अभी भी जो है वो हमको बता नहीं पा रहा है, and I am not able to ये. We will always be available. We can online discuss with you. We can tell you कि ask these questions. हम आपको नहीं बोलेंगे इस 3 में से इनको चुनिए, but we will tell you that please ask these questions and then only come to the decision.
So mine is just an extended question. If I'm an advocate and a solicitor, I'm wanting to list myself.
Yes.
I give my proposal to you that
You
please
will
add
again
me.
go into the login?
Exactly. So what is the parameter that I will be one of the chosen? Because
As
you are
soon
going
as
to
you
put a
log in,
filter.
you press login, it will ask you what type of professional you are. You will press I am a legal professional.
Correct.
It will open for you a format.
Correct.
In that format, all the columns are such that you should be able to fill it.
Perfect, but like there are lakhs of advocates who would like to now come to this platform because this is becoming very happening. So what is that will make me eligible? The way
Because
you're
there are
putting up-
columns there which can actually differentiate you from another legal professional.
So that is-
Because it is asking questions of how many RERA projects you have done,
Perfect.
how many redevelopment you have actually done. So your experience will come out of that.
So that
We are
will
not
put me
asking you how many years of experience because I cannot check. आप 5 साल से हैं कि 10 साल से मुझे तो पता नहीं चलेगा. I cannot send a person to your home and then do this sort of a या investigating agency भी नहीं लगा सकते. But when I ask you कि how many projects you are involved with, उस project का number दीजिए. I can go to the Maharera website to check सच में आपने बताया वो सही है कि नहीं. And then when he has to select between you and some other S person, he will then go by this. अरे इनके पास तो ऐसा experience, I will go with her. That's how it is.
Thank you for the presentation. This is just a quick question. For registration, there would be some tariff?
Registration of a service
on
seeker.
Service, no, for a CHS, for a society.
हाँ, seeker. Service
the
taker, yeah.
seeker. So, once, do we pay any annual or one?
No, I told you, no, it's free of charge.
Okay, then.
But every member cannot become
no,
rich.
but
It has to
now
be office bearer.
Some level of information would be available for free, but assuming that it's a serious job and we go ahead, we would need handholding, we would need some more advice. Will that be charged?
No. For the societies and the members, nothing will be charged. We will be available there. We can have online consultation with you. Yes, Mr. Ravish Prabhu? Mediation is chargeable.
Mediation
When there is a
much
situation where you
later
have to
stage.
access, because the mediators have to be paid charges.
Yes, that is a professional
No,
body.
she's asking
But-
about any question
but
if she
are
comes
there
up.
limit or cap that 10 question, 20 question?
I just mentioned to him that you have come to a situation where you're not able to make that decision and you want some more advice. Certainly we'll be there to hold hand.
Thank you, sir.
Certainly. But then please spread the word around that I want more and more
This
societies
is last
coming,
question.
because more the number of societies who are service seekers, the more they become the members of this, that will enthuse the service givers to be interested in this. Yes, there are so many societies who are seeking service, so let us also become enlisted. That's how will the GRSA will run.
So we'll take one last question.
Sir, you said that in the login, the chairman, the secretary, or the treasurer, or an authorized person has to register. But in a society, suppose the managing committee does not want to go in for redevelopment, but if the members are looking forward to do that, then
उसका
how?
तो rule है ना, managing committee will have to, if they don't agree with majority of the members, they will have to take it with the cooperative department, the assistant registrar. You will have to resolve that issue first. Because वो उस तरह का situation लेके, because it's a democratic body, the body has to come up as a homogeneous body, though it is not homogeneous. तो वो जो है उसको resolve पहले करना पड़ेगा. We can again help you to bring a dialogue between the warring members and the other members to make them come to a conclusion whether it is required or not required. But then beyond that, I don't think we can do anything. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सर का फेलिसिटेशन करेंगे रोटरी की तरफ से जोरदार तालियों से सर का और काम करने की वो बढ़े सर को बता दो गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट इन MCS मैथमेटिक्स from Patna University also hold a PG diploma in urban planning and housing from Netherlands. जोरदार तालियों से सर आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है सर ऐसे ही लगे रहिए हम आपके साथ में हम सब थैंक यू कैसा लगा आप सभी को कैसा लगा GRFC थैंक यू सर थैंक यू